Panchagavya for agriculture use is also becoming popular now. This is a Vedic concept. We are giving a representative composition of Panchagavya out of many combinations in use. Take a plastic barrel or cement tank and put 3 liters of cow urine, 2 liters of cooled boiled cow milk, 2 liters of curd, 10 bananas, 3 liters of tender coconut water, and 1 kilogram of brown jaggery dissolved in 3 liters of water. In another barrel, mix 5 kilograms of fresh cow dung and 1 liter of cow ghee. Mix the content of these barrels after keeping them separately for 3 days. Then keep it for 7 days. Keep on stirring the mixture once in a day with a wooden stick. Filter this mixture through a net and keep the barrel covered with a cloth to the open top. This Panchagavya may be used up to 15 to 20 days. This is a rich mixture of micronutrients, hormones, plant growth regulators, and useful microorganisms. This is a good repellent of pests and diseases also. Panchagavya may be sprayed to the crops or drenched to the base of the plant. It may be spread at the time of compost production. Excellent result is recorded everywhere with the use of Panchagavya. Let us know one more method of supplying nutrients. Mix 10 kilograms of fresh cow dung, 10 liters of cow urine, 1 kilogram of jaggery, and 100 liters of water in a tank or barrel. Use this mixture on next day with irrigation water at the rate of 500 liters per acre. For spraying, mix 10 kilograms of cow dung, 10 liters of cow urine, 1 kilogram of jaggery, and 10 liters of water in a tank. Filter this mixture on the next day and spray to the crop at the rate of 100 milliliters per liter of water. Spraying this extract 2 to 3 times for any crop will give good result. We find biodigesters in many farms in recent years. Locally available herbages are digested in a tank like this. Dicot plants and plants well known for pest and disease control are selected on priority. Some farmers put neem cake, sheep and poultry manure, vermicompost, etc. in bags and immerse them in the same tank. Extract collected in the tank or the digester is filtered and given to the crop with irrigation water. Many farmers spray this extract directly to the crop. According to the farmer's experience, this extract from the biodigester improves crop health and growth. We find farmhouses and cattle shed at a height just next to the garden in Western Ghats region. Many farmers stop producing farmyard manure due to labor shortage. Transporting the manure needs lot of manpower and leads to nutrient loss also. Hence, these farmers flow biogas slurry directly to the garden through pipelines. Slurry is collected in a tank and diluted with additional water. Leaves, straws, etc. are cleaned to avoid clogging of pipeline. This mixture flows to the garden by gravity. Slurry is put to the base of each tree with the help of hose pipes. Farmers without this benefit of slope use slurry pump. Slurry is transported in a tanker to the garden if the distance is more. Organic waste available on the farm is put around the tree base and slurry is poured on it twice a year. This may be called as in situ manure production. Here, the wastage of nutrients is very minimal. Earthworms become active and produce vermicompost. This method gives very good result if the moisture is maintained throughout the year in the garden. This method is termed as slurrigation. Green manuring is one more effective method of supplying nutrients. Leguminous plants are grown on the farm or outside and the herbage is mixed in the soil. This enriches the humus and nutrient content of the soil. It improves the soil structure also. Sun hemp, diancha, sesbania, etc. are the common green manuring species grown on the farm. These plants are cut and ploughed into the soil just before flowering. Adding green manures 2 to 3 weeks before planting of the main crop will give good result. Sun hemp is grown between rows of sugarcane, banana, mulberry, etc. It is incorporated into the soil after 4 weeks. Black gram, green gram and cowpea are also in use as green manure crops. Sun hemp, horse gram, etc. are grown in open spaces of mango and other plantations. This helps even for weed control. Root knots of these leguminous plants store nitrogen. Subabul, Gliricidia, Sesbania, etc. are grown outside the farm or along the fence. Herbage is cut and used as green manure. Green manuring once in 2 years also brings excellent crop improvement. Non-edible oil cakes are the rich sources of plant nutrients. Neem cake is not only useful for nutrient supply but also for pest and disease control. Castor and Pongamia cakes are the other cakes in use. Water fern Azolla is becoming popular in recent years as a green manure and cattle feed. Blue-green algae called Anabaena, present in the folds of leaves, fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Azolla provides 25 kilograms of nitrogen per acre in a season. It can grow and cover the whole water surface of paddy field in 15 days. It is puddled into the soil as green manure 1 week before transplanting the paddy seedlings. Tank silt is lifted after the water dries up in summer and spread in the field. This is a popular practice in plains. Adding tank silt can give good crop for 2 to 3 years. Wood ash is also a good source of plant nutrients.